大家好 Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking deep-fried sweet sour prawns with cilantro lime rice. So come, let's join Aunty. Alright friends, here are the prawns. I'm gonna clean these prawns later on, and the ingredients that need to go along with these prawns. I have 3 tablespoons, these are rice flour, and 5 tablespoons of tapioca flour, as well as this one spices, coriander and fennel, as well as black pepper. I'm going to grate later on, and of course salt and ajinomoto. So stay tuned guys. So these are the prawns that Aunty already clean and then devein. All the dirt been removed already. Okay, so let's now we proceed. Okay, first of all, I put a bit of salt, about 1 teaspoon, and the spices, the fennel and coriander powder, this is to remove the foul smell of the prawns. Okay, then we all add in this flour, the tapioca flour and rice flour. Mix it first. Before that, grate the black pepper. That's it. Mix it well first. Oh, this one is very soft shell. Okay, it's alright. Okay, we mix with the flour. Alright, this is Aunty technique. We don't have to stir it, just shake it, let it well balanced. See? That's how. Alright, Aunty technique is like this. After coated with flour, I take it out one by one and dip inside this water, and then put it back, and then coating another time. Okay. Alright, then this one is ready to fry. Alright, okay, we heat up the oil first. This is to ensure it's well coated with flour. Okay, so that the skin will be crispy. Do the same until finish. Alright, you see? Beautiful. It's well coated. Alright, see? It's cooked already. It doesn't take long. Okay, see? beautifully coated with flour. It's cooked already. Okay, it's time to prepare for the sauce. I have 5 cloves of garlic here already crushed, and half cup of tomato sauce, and this one water with chicken cubes 250 ml, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, and I have a Bombay onion 1 piece, and then green chili, and also this one is tapioca flour about 3 spoons mixed with water. Okay, stay tuned guys, let's start cooking. About 2 tablespoons of butter. Wait for it to heat up, then we add in garlic. Add in the tomato sauce, half cup of the tomato sauce. Stir it, okay. Okay, add in the water with the chicken stock. Grab the black pepper. Okay, this is honey. Add about 2 tablespoons of honey. And salt to taste. 1 tablespoon. Sorry, 1 teaspoon. This is tapioca flour. Add in the Bombay onion. Okay, we add in the prawns. Slow the flame while cooking. Oh, beautiful. Wow, this is yummy. And green chili. Okay, it's done. Alright friends, this is ending of Auntie's cooking. Deep-fried sweet sour prawns with cilantro lime rice. Do try the recipe. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.